Ready? Video number 2, how to pair Apple Pencil 2 with iPad. Hello everyone, welcome back to Unbox Grid. Today we are trying to connect Apple Pencil 2, which is also known as Gen 2 pencil, with an Apple iPad Pro. The Gen 2 works with the iPads which are started from the M1 range and beyond. And the connection procedure mainly remains the same across all iPad devices. So to get started, let's search for the settings icon on the screen itself, or swipe down on the screen and search for settings. Let me show you once again, and you should see this icon. Click on it, and now you should search for Bluetooth. Where is the Bluetooth? Yeah, there it is. Make sure that the Bluetooth is turned on. Apple Pencil only works when the Bluetooth is turned on. And now if you see, the pencil is not connected. To connect the pencil, you just need to put it on the charging port, which on the iPad Pro and the iPad M1 and beyond series is at the very top, and you can see the pencil has started to charge. And in the connected devices, you can see the very first entry, which is connected. So let's see whether the pencil works or not. To check it, it's very simple. You can just use the pencil to hover around or move around or drag around, and you can see the pencil is now working. And this is how easy it is to connect the Apple Gen 2 pencil on Apple iPad. Thank you for watching.